we request Hamlet Dolling to do the honors. The Golden Glove goes to Banshanlang Sten of Rangdajied United Football Club. Banshanlang kept 5 clean sheets all throughout the tournament. Congratulations to him. The award, the next award is for the player of the tournament. And to present the award, we request the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills, Kong R.M. Kurba, to do the honors. The player of the tournament award goes to Tremiki Lamurong of Rangdajied United Football Club. I'd like to also inform that Tremiki Lamurong is an under-21 player, and the mandate of the Meghalaya State League is to have at least two under-21 players in the team. So congratulations to Tremiki Lamurong. We shall now move on to the presentation of the prizes to the runner-up, the one who did not win today but made it all the way, the team from West Khasi Hills, Klemole Youth Club. I request Dr. Shakil Ahmed to please present the medals and also the trophy to the runner-up of the Meghalaya State League. Congratulations, Klemole, for making it all the way to the finals. And I'd like to tell you that the award for the runner-up also carries a cash prize of 3 lakh rupees. I request the captain of Klemole Youth Club to please come collect the check and the certificates as the winners, the second place winners of the Meghalaya State League 2023. We shall now move on to the presentation of the prizes to the winners of this match and the Meghalaya State League 2023. And to do the honors, I request the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Ba Snyaubhalang Dhar, to do the honors. And I request all the players to come in line to collect the medals, and also the captain of the team to come last to collect the check and also the trophy. Here are the winners of the Meghalaya State League 2023, Rangdajied United FC. This is the second time that Rangdajied United have appeared in a Meghalaya State League final, and lucky for them, for the second time is actually the lucky time for them. The winners of the Meghalaya State League also get a cash prize of rupees 5 lakh rupees. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the winners of the Tournament of Champions, the Champion of Champions, the winners of Meghalaya State League 2023, Rangdajied United Football Club.